Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, and hello everyone. Welcome back to Skillverse Technologies, your daily dose of digital skills made simple. So, today we are starting something brand new. Module number 3, Microsoft Office. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Now listen, if you ever opened a laptop for a job, college, or even just to write a simple letter, you have probably heard this name before. Microsoft Office is a set of tools made by Microsoft, and honestly, it's used everywhere, such as schools, hospitals, shops. This isn't just a computer stuff, this is a real skill that employers actually look for. Almost every job listing says it. So, what's actually inside Microsoft Office? Look at these three. These are the ones you use the most. First is Microsoft Word. This is for writing letters, resumes, assignments, reports, anything that needs text. Word is your place. Second is Microsoft Excel. This one's for numbers, budgets, attendance sheets, and calculation. If the data and math involves, Excel handles it. Third is Microsoft PowerPoint. This is for presentations, slides you show in meetings, school projects, or when you are pitching an idea. Now, let me make this even simpler. Think of this way, as Word is your notebook, Excel as your calculator, and PowerPoint as your stage. That's it. Three tools, three jobs. Once you know which one does what, you'll never be confused again. Okay, quick question before we move on. Out of these three, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which one have you already used? Even at once, drop it in the comment section right now. I genuinely want to know where you are starting from. And shout out to everyone who kept asking when this module was coming. You asked, and here it is. This one's for you. Alright, here we complete with our lesson 1. For the next few videos, we are going deep into each of these tools. One step at a time, no rushing, no confusion. Just simple and practical learning, the Skillverse way. Remember this, every big skill starts with one small step today. See you in the next one where we actually open MS Word for the first time. Let's go. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.